Okay, so we're coming back to this property. We got our initial claim paperwork back. Typically, your adjuster's gonna come out. He's probably gonna miss some items, so we need to make sure we got good photos of everything. There's a few other things I wanted to grab photos of. I've gone through the claim paperwork. We're gonna hop up on the roof real quick, look at some of those extra items. This is where you need to be very detailed. It's gonna be the highest ROI for you, is taking good photos, good, clean photos that show the evidence, that show the damage, that are easy and, you know, undisputable for the insurance. So let's go jump up on here real quick. So easy thing. First, when I'm coming out to the property, looking at lights, stuff like that, good collateral damage. It helps paint the story of what happened at the property. I want to look at the garage door too. I inspected this garage door already. I didn't really find anything on it, but it's always a good thing. That's why you want to have that flashlight with you so you can show those dents off. When you run your light on there, if there was a dent in there, it would highlight it, and I'll show you on these gutters over here. And then you don't necessarily have to mark it up with your chalk. So really handy tool to have. But let's go up here. We're gonna go look at some of the stuff on the roof. So like I said, we were post-adjustment, got our first claim paperwork back. We've reviewed it. We know there's some things missing. We're up on the roof. We wanna get the photos. So we need to be very detailed. Like this roof here, it has a high profile hip and ridge. Definitely need to document that. That is gonna pay a lot differently than just a lay flat style hip and ridge. But obviously this roof's been beat. This area up here, I think, had some of the larger hail. We'll turn around here in a second and you can see just how the whole side of this house is beat. But if we come down here and look at these filled shingles, I mean, it's pretty large hail, very obvious. And it's not so much of an argument on something like this with an adjuster, but if it were a little bit more marginal, I'm identifying those spots. And a lot of times, like when you can kind of press into that hail impact and you'll feel it feels a lot softer than the rest of the shingle, because that matting's been compromised, it's been broken by that impact. But these are pretty significant. This is like a pretty significant hit right here, right? So like the actual imprint on the shingle is almost showing an inch. That stone was probably a little bit larger than that. We turn around, you can see windows, paint. This is all stuff that I'd want to be documenting to send to the insurance company. Good stuff to show your homeowner too. But on this window here, this is a vinyl wrap. So a lot of times they can replace that wrap. However, these more builder quality windows, this track right here on the bottom, a lot of times that frame, that whole thing is one piece. Some of the nicer, newer windows, you can replace that. But just something to know when you have the window guy come look at it, you want to make sure he's going to get you, the proper information to send back to the insurance company in case this frame needs to be replaced. So let's grab some more photos here. You can see the bottom of the paint there. It probably need to be painted before that, but just all that hail beating on it knocked that stucco off. The house is getting painted, the whole house is getting painted, so don't have to worry about it too much. I'm just kind of documenting a few little items like these counter flashings. Good stuff to document, because that should all get prime and paint as well. All of our vents are painted. This is the little items you want to make sure that are accounted for on the estimate. This probably is not all from hail. I'm sure maybe when it was getting put on or something. This is an aluminum piece, so they've been relatively easy. They'll show hail easily, but that whole damage is probably somebody took their hammer and you can see that fascia. And this is stuff I'd be pointing out to during the adjustment with the adjuster. Like all that fascia, all the spots on it, hail knocked all that paint off. So really got to pay attention to the paint details. Sometimes they can be hard to spot, but most of the time when you have this type of damage, you're going to find it, pretty much all around the property. So paint too. Let's head down the road and we'll go see that one right there.
A little bit.
Not the one with the IKOs on it. We don't install that. Our signs down there. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.